Zimbabwe succession bombshell. Sarabina mashoko kubuda panguva ino as tension is rocking in the ruling party ZANU-PF. Panguva ino iri kunokunzi VP Constantine Chiwenga anoonekwa kunzi is the rival wemutungamiriri wenyika President Masodamzo Mnangagwa. Panguva ino according to the gentleman's agreement, he is supposed to succeed President Masodamzo Mnangagwa in the coming year 2028. Zanapinda mashoko kubuda nyuko panguva ino achiratidza kuti there is a faction which is also backing VP Constantine Chiwenga and it is endorsing him as the next president. Then go subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina Bo Truth and Chiti. Chiwenga backed as next president in explosive power struggle. Zimbabwe's landscape has been rocked by a bold declaration from retired Lieutenant General Winston Sloke Mabranga, who insists that VP Constantine Chiwenga is destined to become the nation's next president. Mabranga dismissed any talk of delaying elections beyond 2028, stressing that Zimbabwe's constitution, particularly Section 328, clearly enforces term limits and the need for a referendum to extend power. He fiercely criticized the controversial constitutional amendment bill, widely dubbed Cap 3, portraying it as a calculated move to block Chiwenga's rise rather than a genuine development agenda. Referencing the legacy of Operation Restore Legacy, Mabranga argued that promises of democracy and constitutional order are now under threat. As tensions mount within ZANU-PF, the battle over succession is intensifying, raising stakes ahead of what could be a 2028 election showdown. Toma developments are kuda panguva inoi. Comment section medu za fumiro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, or join on the bell icon.